In this video, I'm going to show you how to block and unblock someone on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook application and then open up some profile that you want to block. For that, I'll tap Add menu, then tap at Friends, and here tap at Your Friends. There I got my friends list. I can open up someone's profile, then hit right here at three dots icon, and from here select Block. Then I can tap Add Block to block that person, so now I wouldn't get any notification from that person. Now you see that I have just blocked him. And now let me show you how you can unblock person if you have already blocked it. So open up Facebook, tap here at menu, then scroll down for a bit and tap at Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings, and here scroll down all the way until you find here Blocking, and there you can find list of all persons that you blocked before, and you can simply unblock them just by tapping at that unblock button and then confirming by tapping on unblock. And now I can get notifications and messages from that user. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.